Hi there, I'm Jim Hurley. I'm a professor of molecular and cell biology at UC Berkeley, and I'm one of the co-organizers of the Keystone meeting on membrane dynamics. I think there's really a new vision for this. The area of lysosome repair has exploded, really coming in large part out of the field of autophagy. And in parallel, other areas in membrane homeostasis, pyroptosis and ferroptosis, have also exploded. And there has never been a meeting where all of these areas converge. So what we're doing here is we're bringing these areas together. We're bringing them together also with mitochondrial membrane dynamics, and we're bringing together academic and industry researchers to not only advance the basic mechanisms, but leverage all of this for therapy. I think we have leaders in the lysosome repair area, but also areas like ferroptosis and pyroptosis and mitochondrial membrane dynamics all coming together. And I think really that's a first in a concentrated setting like this. Certainly they will have been together at big meetings like the ASCB or the Biophysical Society, but I think they've never been packed into one focused, highly interactive meeting this way before. What I'm hoping is that there's going to be cross-pollination, and that this will create a new community, and that we will think across the boundaries between these different subfields in a new way. The size of it, because if you compare it to ASCB or a Biophysical Society or one of those meetings, you essentially have to know people before you go or make an appointment. You can interact at the poster sessions, but here, because it's so small and focused, you could be a grad student or postdoc sitting at breakfast with a field leader, for example, and vice versa. So it's that intimacy that's going to just distill it down. I'm hoping this will be a watershed moment for this topic of membrane dynamics, and we can see a new community created and cross-pollination across these areas.